Lesson 135. Number 1, 900 take away 341. I'm going to take 1 away from each one. This way I don't have to borrow later. It'll be 899. Take away 340. So it'll look like that. 56 divided by 8, or 8 times something, equals 56. 3, 223 plus 516. 4, 3 times 3 times 7. Whatever's in parentheses, you need to do first. So 3 times 3 is 369. Don't forget this, times 7. So now we have 9 times 7. 5, turn to page 297 of your hands-on pages. Measure the fork, match snail, and popsicle stick to the nearest inch. Use X's to add the data to the line plot. 6, Brandon made 3 jumps of 5 feet each. How many feet did Brandon jump all together? Okay, all together is a big hint, which usually would mean adding, but remember multiplication is adding, only the quicker way to add. So 3 jumps, each were 5 feet each. 1, 2, 3, these represent the 3 jumps. Each one was 5 feet. Put 5 in each one. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 more is 15. Or I could do, there's three groups with 5 in each group. 3 times 5 equals 15. 7, Jayan made 9 copies of 7 photographs from the championship baseball game for his team. After he gave the photos to his teammates, he had 12 photos left over. How many photos did he give away? Write 2 number sentences and solve for X. So 9 copies of 7 photographs. Alright, the first equation is going to be 9 times 7, which equals 63. And he had 12 left over, but I need to find out how many he gave away. 63, take away the 12. Then I'll get my answer of how many he gave away. Number 8, there were 24 students in Miss Archer's class. If Mrs. Archer divided her students to 4 equal groups for a reading project, how many students would be in each group? 24 is my total, divided into 4 equal groups. Or I could flip this around. 4 times blank equals 24. 9. Compare the shaded parts of the 2 squares. Then choose the correct sign. So I'm going to look at my squares. I have half here because I could tell by the picture, and I know that 2/4 is half. 2 is half of 4. Okay, so this is a half. 4/6. Well, if this is a half, I know this is not a half, because half of 6 would be 3, and so we have more shaded in. For 6, there's a difference of 2. The one thing that's, notice there's also a difference of 2. However, this is not half, so it's not, we know it's not going to be equal, because this is not half. Like I said, if it was like this, it would be a half. But we have a bit more shaded in here. So 4/6 is greater than 2/4, or 2/4 is less than 4/6. 10. Find the area by counting the square units. I'm going to find the area by counting all the square units up. 6 times 9. 12. The church needed to order 8 liters of syrup for each hour of their pancake breakfast. If they were going to be open for hours, how many liters of pancake syrup would they need? Be 8 times 4. Then you find the amount of liters they would need. 24 divided by 6. What number makes 24 when multiplied by 6? 6 times blank equals 24. Actually, it might be 4. Which leads me to believe this one is also 4. They're both related. 70 times 4. 7 times 4. And then that adds 0. 2 of these shapes have the same area. Which 2 shapes are they, and what is their area? Area equals length times width. That's the formula to find area. 10 meters times 4 meters. 10 times 4 equals 40 meters squared. Okay, 4 times 8 would be 32 meters squared, and 8 times 5 would be 40 meters squared. So it looks like A and C have the same area. That's it for lesson 135. If you have questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.